Amobee Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Amobee are in the description. Amobee is an advanced advertising platform designed for brands, agencies, and media companies that need cross-channel campaign management, data-driven audience insights, and programmatic ad buying. It stands out for its ability to unify TV, digital, social, and programmatic advertising into a single solution, making it a powerful tool for advertisers looking to execute omnichannel campaigns with precision. One of Amobee's biggest strengths is its TV and digital convergence, allowing advertisers to seamlessly integrate linear TV, connected TV, CTV, and digital media. The platform provides real-time audience analytics, enabling brands to track user behavior across multiple screens and optimize ad delivery accordingly. Its advanced TV solution is particularly useful for advertisers who want to leverage data-driven targeting for TV ad placements, rather than relying on traditional demographic-based buys. Amobee also offers a robust demand-side platform, DSP, that includes real-time bidding, AI-powered optimization, and premium inventory access. It supports private marketplaces, PMPs, and direct publisher deals, ensuring that advertisers get high-quality ad placements with greater control over pricing and transparency. The platform's identity resolution tools help brands target users effectively, even in a post-cookie environment, using first-party data, contextual targeting, and unified ID 2.0 support. For data-driven decision-making, Amobee's Analytics Suite delivers deep insights into campaign performance, audience engagement, and cross-channel attribution. Advertisers can measure how their campaigns impact customer journeys across multiple touchpoints, allowing for real-time adjustments to maximize ROI. The automation and API integration capabilities make it an excellent choice for large-scale advertisers who need custom workflows and data-driven automation. Amobee is fully compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and other privacy regulations, ensuring brand safety and responsible data usage. Overall, it's an ideal platform for advertisers looking for a powerful, data-driven solution to unify TV and digital advertising, optimize media spend, and drive measurable outcomes. If you're looking for an intelligent, omni-channel ad tech solution, Amobee is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.